Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to create beautiful thumbnail. Images links are in the description. Resize and adjust image position. Remove background of your image 1. Add a new layer and set the color black. Place it as a background layer. Add curve adjustment layer above image 1 and darken it a little bit. Add level curve and make necessary adjustments. Create color adjustment layer. Make the shadow reddish and highlights yellow. Now go to image 2 and create a mask for it. Get brush tool and choose black color. Press shift button and apply it on the mask of image 2. Go to filters, then blur and Gaussian blur. Apply around 20 pixel. Click on image 1, then go to filters, gallery filter and apply tilt shift. Make necessary adjustments. Press T and type text of your choice. Here's what I have used. That's it. Please consider like and subscribe.